Welcome to the Easy to Make QR code training. In this training, we're going to walk through how to add colors and gradients to our QR code to give it a different style and a different look so that we can customize it to what we want. So we're on our main dashboard, and where we are is in the design element of our QR code. So I'm going to show you how I got here. So I'm going to hit the back button for a second. This is going to be in the upper right hand corner. I'm going to hit back so that you can see exactly where we are. So this is the QR code that we're working on. This is the data tab. Now we want to go over to the design tab. So we're going to design it out. So let's go ahead and begin to design out our QR code. So we're here, and what we want to do is change the look from the basic color and put a little flavor into it. So we got a field color, an external color, an eye external, and our internal, a background, and a background color. So let's go through each one so that we see how it affects our QR code. So let's say we're going to change it from black, and let's turn it to green. Let's see what happens. So I'm going to click on the green, and what it's going to do is going to change the QR code to green. Now I can also choose, if there's no color here that I like, I can choose a color that I want by simply selecting where the hex is, and we can go in to the color wheel and we can pick our colors that we want. So let's say I want more of a bluish aqua color, so I'm going to select that, and now as you can see, the QR code color changed again. Now let's see what our eye external color does. So let's go ahead and select it. I'm going to select the green again, and let's see what changes on our QR code. As you can see, the square boxes around the eye, this is the external of the eye, has changed. Now let's change the internal, which is going to be the little square in the center here. So let's go ahead and change that to this aqua pinkish color here. And you can see that that color is going to also change. So now we've added something different to our QR code to make it stand out. But let's say we want to make this gradient. What we will do is that we will select the gradient tab, and we will choose the gradient that we want. So let's say right now it's black. I'm going to go, let me choose it as this bluish color, green, this other blue, and down now at the bottom, I'm going to choose let's say the bronze color here. Now we have a gradient QR code. We can change this from linear to radial. Linear is what's coming up and down. Radial is going to be more from the center out. So as you can see, it changed the center of the QR code. So now we have a different looking QR code than we did before. But now let's go and change our background color. So right now it's white. Let's turn it into blue. So I'm going to select the blue. And now you see the background has changed as well. But let's put it back to white so it can look pretty decent for us. And now we've chosen the white background color. And I want to take it back to the linear effect. Now the linear effect is in, and let's say we want to add one more element. We're going to change the select finder. We're going to change this, so right now we know it's a square. Let's make it more of this oval diamond type. So let's select that, and now you see that that has changed as well. See, as you can see that we're customizing our QR code to be exactly what we want it to be, and of course we can always go down and we can change the shape of the QR code. So let's say I want to change the shape to a bus because I'm a transportation company. Now I've just changed it to a bus. The QR code is there. And then I want to come further down and I'm going to hit Scan Me. As you can see now, we have a totally different look for a QR code that separates us from any of our competitors, which gives us a different look from what we would normally see as a QR code. So this has been the training on how to change the colors and different elements inside of your QR code.